Hi. So, if you are meeting with a divorce or family lawyer, you're probably feeling overwhelmed. And most people go to a consultation and ask the wrong questions. They ask, how long have you been practicing and how much do you charge? Those matter, but they're not the questions that are going to protect you. So today I'm going to tell you the real questions you should ask during a consultation so you hire the right lawyer, not just the available one. My name's attorney Renee Bauer. I am the founder of Happy Even After Family Law located in Connecticut. So let's dive into this. Question number one. You want to ask, what is your strategy for a case like mine? Now, the difference here is you're not asking for guarantees. You're not asking for what they can promise you or what they can deliver, but you're asking for a strategy. So really what you're looking for is how are they going to approach negotiation? Are they going to push towards settlement or to court? They're going to add, you're going to want to ask them about how often they go to trial, how they handle high conflict personalities. So if they can't answer these questions or they're really vague, that's usually a red flag. A strong family lawyer should be able to say, here's how I would approach this. Here's what matters. Here's what doesn't. And they also should be saying you, I can't guarantee you results because anyone who promises is certainly going to underdeliver. Okay. Question number two, you're going to want to ask what factors will drive my legal costs up or down. Every case is different. A good lawyer won't promise you a number, but they'll tell you what behaviors increase cost, how often you'll need court appearances, the cost of those appearances, whether experts may be required, which then tends to make things very expensive, whether mediation makes sense. You want transparency. You do not want to be surprised when you get your bill each month. Okay. Question number three. How do you handle high conflict cases, especially if your spouse is controlling, manipulative, emotionally volatile, financially secretive? You need to know, does this attorney escalate? Do they have the skill set and experience in order to handle these type of cases? You don't want a lawyer who's going to pour gasoline on fire. You want a lawyer who's going to be really strategic about the actions that they take. Okay. Number four, you're going to ask who will actually be handling my case. So when you meet with an attorney, a lot of times you're meeting with somebody who is doing the consultation, and then they may assign your case to the best fit lawyer who's appropriate for your case. So you're going to say, is it a partner? Is it an associate? Is there a team? Is there a paralegal who will be working on my case? So at a firm like Happy Even After Family Law, we work as a team. But you should also understand who your primary contact is, who appears with you in court, who's going to answer your emails, okay? Knowing that you have a full team, that you can pick up the phone and talk to somebody who knows your case is really, really important. Number five, what is the realistic outcome in Connecticut courts? So a seasoned Connecticut family lawyer should be able to explain how judges typically view custody, what factors impact alimony, how property division works, what's realistic and not emotional, even if you don't like the answer. But you need the honest one. And if a lawyer tells you everything you want to hear, like I said before, be careful because they are over-promising and they will probably underdeliver. Number six, what should I be doing right now to protect myself before you even file? You should be gathering financial information, maybe looking at spending, maybe having certain conversations or not having certain conversations, protecting access to accounts. So you want to talk to the lawyer that you're meeting with, what their suggestion is for you to do based on the information that you've provided to them. The right lawyer will give you direction immediately. And so a few red flags to watch for during your consultation. Are they allowing you to speak and asking you questions about your situation? Are they promising outcomes? Are they being very vague? Or do you just not vibe with them? You have to share a certain amount of time with this person for a period of time in your life that you probably don't want to be going through. So you want to make sure that there's a connection to the firm, the team, the style, and everything that you're hearing. Don't be afraid to have multiple conversations with different lawyers to find the best fit for you. Okay? Consultation isn't just about whether the lawyer is going to choose you, it's about whether you choose them. The right attorney will be honest, strategic, calm, make you feel clearer, have a very easy system in order to even get you into the office. So from that first communication, you feel really confident about the firm that's representing you. And if you're in Connecticut and you want a strategic conversation about your situation, reach out to Happy Even After Family Law. Clarity is power here. Good luck.